Hello and welcome to this video tutorial which provides a live demonstration of the Take Profit Trade Management mode. Please note, it is recommended that this tutorial is viewed after watching the Take Profit mode video tutorial. For this demonstration, the Trade Management tool will be used to set up Take Profit trade management levels on a live pound-dollar trade taken on the 5-minute time frame. Firstly, let's use the trade tool to set up and execute the trade on the pound-dollar 5-minute chart. The live pound-dollar trade is now showing in the trade console under the Iron FX Forex install. So let's select to manage it by clicking on the corresponding entry on the grid and selecting the Manage Trade option. Now let's select the Take Profit Trade Management mode and set up the Take Profit or TP levels on the chart. For this demonstration, TP1 will be set up to close out 25% of the original position, which in this case is a lot size of 5. TP2 will be set up to close out another 25% of the original position, and TP3 to close out a further 25%, and in conjunction move the stop loss. If and when the TP levels are triggered and part of the original position is closed out, a new ticket number is assigned to the remaining position. If all 3 TP levels are triggered, the remainder of the trade will be closed out if and when the original target, which is just above the session low, is reached. The trade controller logs every event associated with each trade. Therefore, the Trade Event History tool can be used at any time to review all events relating to the original trade. Let's fast forward in time to where the TP1 level is about to be triggered. The ticket number assigned to the original trade is closed out and a new ticket number is assigned to the remaining position. The chart has been updated to show the result of the part close with a solid rectangle which is 1/3 of the height of the original or parent trade. A record of events is now showing in the live event grid. The alerts panel has been updated to inform the user, and the trade complete count is now 1. The trade console has also been updated and is now showing the resulting child trade in the live trade list under the Iron FX Forex install. And the parent trade is in the completed trades list for the current day. And the trade event history has captured every event relating to the trade so far. At any time while the trade is still live and before the trade management levels have been triggered, the user can reselect the Manage Trade option to modify the trade management levels or reset the applied trade management mode. The remaining position has inherited the trade management properties from the original trade, and since the TP1 level has triggered, the TP2 and TP3 levels shuffle up to now become the TP1 and TP2 levels respectively, as shown. Therefore, each time a take profit level is triggered, it will always be recorded as TP1, as shown in the trade event history. The TP3 level, which has now been cleared, can be used to set up another trade management level if required. So let's use the Reset button to cancel the applied trade management mode settings. Once the reset is executed, all applied TP levels are removed from the chart and the Take Profit panel is disabled. Now let's enable the Take Profit mode and set up the TP levels again. Let's fast forward in time again to where the TP1 level is about to be triggered. As before, the existing ticket number is closed out and a new ticket number is assigned to the remaining position. The chart has been updated to show the result of the part close. A record of events is now showing in the live event grid, and the alerts panel has been updated to inform the user. The trade console is now showing the second child trade in the live trade list under the Iron FX Forex install, and the first child trade is in the completed trades list for the current day. As explained previously, what was the TP2 levels have shuffled up and become the TP1 levels now showing in the trade management window. As before, all events relating to the trade so far have been captured and are showing in the trade event history. Once again, let's fast forward in time to where the TP1 level is about to be triggered and the stop loss moved in conjunction. As before, the existing ticket number is closed out and a new ticket number is assigned to the remaining position. The chart has been updated to show the result of the part close. A record of events is now showing in the live event grid, and the alerts panel has been updated to inform the user. The trade console is now showing the remaining position in the live trade list under the Iron FX Forex install. Since all take profit levels have been executed, there are none showing in the trade management window. Again, all events relating to the trade so far have been captured and are showing in the trade event history. For the last time, let's fast forward in time to show the remainder of the trade being manually closed out via the trade management tool. Once again, the chart has been updated to show the result of the close. The trade console now shows the parent and all the resulting child trades in the completed trades list for the current day. A record of all events is now showing in the live event grid, and the trade event history has been updated accordingly. Finally, let's look at the trade controller alerts that can be configured for mobile devices via the notification settings. On this occasion, the alerts were configured for both the iPad and the iPhone. Here is the format of the message sent to the iPad, which includes the broker name, the market, whether it was a buy or sell, the ticket number, and an alert description. And here is the format of the message sent to the iPhone, which is exactly the same. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.